So how would you undo restrictions set on the iPad? Let me show you how to do this. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Well, there are more restrictions which might be in place, but if you go to the settings and then the screen time, you'll be able to find the content and privacy restrictions. You can get inside and there is like one general toggle which can undo all of the restrictions, but if you want to keep some of them in place, you can also just go specifically and, for example, I don't know, like if you don't have the installing of apps available or allowed, you can allow that and undo that specific restriction, or just manage it individually based on your preference. So that would be one thing. Inside of the screen at time section, we also have restrictions for like apps specifically, which is called app limits. And this lets you set time periods for apps, right? So you can turn it off again generally with one toggle, or disable the specific app restrictions, or perhaps bump up the time, right? So it can all be managed right here. Outside of that, there might be some restrictions like the downtime, or, these things which you can see in there, like communication limits or whatever. Keep in mind that this is for the regular iPad usage. And if you are using like a school iPad or iPad set up through a work or school profile, then the options are probably more limited, because you can manage that inside of your settings app as well, where you can go to the general section where you can find the VPN and device management, and there might be the work or school account sign in. And if that's the case, well, you at first have to go through that layer to remove the account, and then your iPad will be much more free, and there won't be any other restrictions in place. So let me know if it helped below in the comments, or you can just hit the thumbs up to let me know about that. Stay tuned for more tutorials by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.